Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to make hard reset for your party box JBL 320. To make a hard reset, you should press and hold play pause button and light button for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android, and then forget this device, forget device. Now if you have Android, click also pair new device, and right now click on your speaker at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!